Hi, my name is Renee Lafgiura. I am the General Manager at Nutley Kia here in Nutley, New Jersey. We're a growing dealership, and due to that, we needed to hire some sales consultants. So we reached out to Matt at AutoStaff, who helped us out a great bit, did all the heavy lifting, the hard work for us, brought in about 50 candidates, narrowed it down to 25. We're now going to look at that, pick our 7 favorites. Actually, he did BDC for us too. We're going to pick our 2 from there, and it was just as easy as can be because quality candidates, quality employees. I highly recommend, if you have any staffing needs, you call AutoStaff.